everyone, I'm Anushka Rathi and today I'm going to talk about a book that can be a complete guide for cracking the ICAR AIEEE PG exam, Food Science and Technology, written by Deepak Mudgil and Shweta Mudgil and published by Scientific Publishers. Food Science and Technology is not just an academic subject, it's a growing profession with a wide range of career opportunities. Universities and colleges across India now offer postgraduate and doctoral courses in food technology, food engineering, daily technology, nutrition, and more. This book has been designed keeping in mind the ICAR syllabus, covering everything from chemistry of food constituents to food microbiology, packaging, preservation, and processing. Unit 1 focuses on food chemistry, nutrition, food additives, and food standards. You'll learn about carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, dietary fibers, Maillard reactions, and food energy values. The unit also explains how chemical composition changes during food handling and storage, which is essential knowledge for both exams and practical food industry work. Unit 2 takes us into food processing and engineering properties of food. This part helps you understand the physical and engineering aspects like viscosity, rheology, heat exchangers, spray drying, freeze drying, and fluid mechanics. For students, this section is extremely useful as it links theory with the practical processes used in the food industry. Unit 3 covers food processing, preservation, and packaging. From the ripening process in fruits and vegetables, blanching, aseptic canning, sulfur dioxide preservation to modern packaging methods like MAP and CAS. This section covers it all. It also includes standards like minimum soluble solids in tomato paste or fruit percentage in marmalade, which often appears in ICAR exam questions. Unit 4 is all about food microbiology. Here you'll understand the role of bacteria, fungi, yeast, and protozoa in food spoilage, food safety, and preservation. It explains key contributions of pioneers like Louis Pasteur and Antony van Leeuwenhoek, concepts like psychrophiles and thermophiles, bacterial growth curves, and preservation methods like pasteurization, drying, freezing, and smoking. This unit is critical for ICAR AIEEE PG aspirants since microbiology forms the backbone of food safety and quality control. One of the key highlights of this book is its practice material. After every unit, you'll get multiple choice questions followed by the detailed answer keys. This structure makes it easier for students to test themselves immediately after learning a topic. Instead of going back and forth between reference books, you can consolidate your preparation in one place. The MCQs are carefully designed. Some are conceptual, some application based, and others test your memory of important facts like chemical reactions, food standards, and preservation techniques. And the best part, since answers are provided right after each set, you can instantly evaluate yourself, correct your mistakes, and track your progress. So if you are preparing for ICAR AIEEE PG with confidence, Food Science and Technology by Deepak Mudgil and Shweta Mudgil is more than just a book, it's a preparation toolkit. From subjective keynotes that simplify complex concepts to MCQs with answers that sharpen your exam readiness, this book ensures you don't just study but study smart. You'll not only strengthen your understanding of food chemistry, processing, packaging, and microbiology, but also gain that exam edge every student is looking for. I highly recommend this book to every student who wants structured, exam-oriented learning in food science. And before I sign off, don't forget to subscribe to Scientific Publishers YouTube channel and follow them on social media for more book updates, exam resources, preparation tips, and new book launches. This was Anushka Rathi and I'll see you in the next video. Best of luck with your preparation.